If you want to download your account data from Discord, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all your information saved securely. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device, so go to the Discord website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon user settings at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. In the User Settings menu, scroll down and select the Privacy and Safety tab. This section contains various options related to your account's privacy and data. Step 4. Request data download. Scroll down to find the Request Data option. Click on it to initiate the process of downloading your account data. You may need to confirm your request. Step 5. Check your email. After requesting your data, check your email associated with your Discord account. You will receive a notification when your data is ready for download. Follow the instructions in the email to access your data. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from Discord. Make sure to keep this information secure and private.